Hey there, my name is Dan and I'm the IT manager here at Gregg Distributor. Oops! Well, it's a good thing that on today's episode of Gear Up with Gregg's, we've got the perfect solution for a sticky situation. Founded in 1972, Eclectic Products Inc. is a branch of the Willamette Valley Company, a family-owned and operated business that's been going strong for over 60 years. When they started out, EPI was focused on shoe goo, which is an adhesive that was formulated to extend the life of tennis players' shoes, and FAM-O wood fillers. Additional products were bought under the EPI umbrella in the 1990s, including Seal-All and Amazing Goop adhesives, epoxies, and nail hole filler. Amazing Goop adhesives are scientifically formulated to repair, seal, and adhere to a wide variety of materials with superior strength. This includes glass, plastic, metal, leather, vinyl, rubber, brick, marble, copper, tile, wood, pottery, steel, fabric. Whew! Basically, it's designed to adhere to virtually any surface, so you can fix what other glues simply can't. The Amazing Goop is often stronger than the material being repaired and is resistant to chemicals, fuel, motor oils, and more. All the products in the Amazing Goop line are temperature resistant, water resistant, and dry clearing. When using Amazing Goop, allow a few minutes before putting your surfaces together. This will give the adhesive time to cure slightly, which will give you a better, tougher hold. It takes 24 to 72 hours for goop to fully cure, but if you want to speed up the drying time, apply heat using a handheld dryer or heat gun, set on low, and hold at least 6 inches away from the surface. Here at Gregg's, we've got the full line of goop adhesives, including household goop, automotive goop, plumbing goop, and marine goop. That's a whole lot of goop, but what do they all do? Household goop is perfect for home repair, including reattaching laminate, do-it-yourself projects, fixing that loose chair leg, or even mending your favorite coffee cup. The process is simple, but let me walk you through it, starting with gloves. You don't want Amazing Goop sticking to your hands, so we recommend wearing gloves when working with the product. Next, using the opposite side of the cap, you will break the seal on the tube and then screw on the precision applicator tip that comes with your goop. Apply goop to each surface and wait a few minutes for goop to become tacky. Then, stick together. Though it's best to apply goop in temperatures ranging from 10 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius, once it's cured, it can withstand temperatures between -40 degrees Celsius to 66 degrees Celsius. This means that goop is going to hold up to the steaming hot coffee that you put in your mug once it's cured. When it comes to plumbing, this goop is ideal for sealing everything around the house, from sink traps and porcelain fixtures to shower tiles and plastic pipe. It's completely waterproof and sticks to virtually any surface. The versatility of automotive goop makes it ideal for all kinds of quick fixes, everything from repairing upholstery to coating battery terminals to attaching loose trim. Amazing Goop Marine has the same toughness, strength, and versatility as the other Goop products, but with one catch. It's specifically formulated to be UV resistant. That means no matter how much time it spends out in the sun, it won't yellow or crack like other adhesives. It's perfect for outdoor applications on items that will be exposed to sunlight, water, or extreme temperatures. Now, let's put this goop to the test. I'm going to use Amazing Goop to stick this 4-liter water jug to this 2x4. Now, this might not be a common application, but the idea is that if this goop can glue plastic to wood and keep this water jug from crashing to the floor and breaking open, then you know it's got some power behind it. And it's as easy as that. Amazing Goop holds up where others fall short. In any application, this goop has got the stuff to get the job done. With this level of adhesion, it's no wonder it's so versatile. Well, that's all I have to tell you today about this sticky savior, but if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to call us. Or you can visit our website at greggdistributors.ca. Again, I'm Dan, and thank you for watching another episode of Gear Up with Greggs, and have yourself a great Canadian day.